Camping is no longer just about sleeping under the stars and cooking basic meals over a fire. Modern campers are taking outdoor cooking to a whole new level with creative camp kitchen setups that are smarter, faster, and more comfortable than ever before. From portable folding kitchens to luxury off-grid cooking stations, today's outdoor chefs are transforming campsites into fully functional outdoor restaurants. In this video, we're counting down 5 clever camp kitchen setups you've probably never seen before. These amazing ideas combine innovation, portability, and convenience to make cooking outdoors easier and more exciting. Whether you love overlanding, family camping, backpacking, or weekend adventures, these setups will completely change the way you think about camp cooking. Make sure you stay until number 1 because it might be the smartest camping kitchen ever created. Let's get started. Number 5. The Foldout Tailgate Kitchen Setup. One of the smartest camp kitchen setups gaining popularity among campers and overlanders is the Foldout Tailgate Kitchen. At first glance, it looks like a normal SUV or pickup truck trunk, but once opened, it transforms into a complete cooking station in seconds. This setup is designed for campers who want maximum convenience without carrying heavy gear around the campsite. The rear compartment usually includes sliding drawers for cookware, hidden shelves for spices, compact dish storage, and even a portable sink system. Some advanced versions also feature LED lights for nighttime cooking and foldable side tables that create extra space for food preparation. What makes this setup truly clever is its ability to keep everything organized while using minimal space. Outdoor chefs no longer need to unpack dozens of bags because everything is already built into the vehicle. Campers can simply park, pull out the kitchen, and start cooking immediately. Another huge advantage is weather protection. Since most of the cooking area stays attached to the vehicle, the setup can be partially protected from rain or strong wind. This is especially useful during mountain trips or long-distance road adventures where conditions change quickly. Many campers customize these kitchens with portable gas stoves, coffee makers, and compact refrigerators powered by solar batteries. The result feels more like a tiny mobile restaurant than a campsite. The fold-out tailgate kitchen is perfect for travelers who enjoy efficiency and smart design. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes outdoor cooking feel incredibly professional. Once you see how quickly these kitchens operate, it's hard to imagine going back to traditional camping setups. It's one of those camping inventions that instantly makes every outdoor adventure easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Number 4. The Hanging Camp Kitchen System. Most campers think camp kitchens belong on the ground, but the hanging camp kitchen system completely changes that idea. Instead of placing cooking tools and supplies on tables or dirty surfaces, this innovative setup suspends everything vertically using ropes, poles, or portable frames. It may sound unusual at first, but once assembled, it becomes one of the most organized outdoor cooking systems imaginable. The entire setup usually includes hanging shelves, suspended spice racks, mesh storage pockets, cookware hooks, and foldable hanging counters. Some systems even feature suspended lantern holders and waterproof storage bags for food protection. The biggest advantage of this design is space efficiency. Campers can create a full kitchen without taking up valuable campsite ground space. This is especially helpful when camping in forests, rocky terrain, or crowded campsites where flat surfaces are limited. Another benefit is cleanliness. Since pots, pans, utensils, and food stay elevated, they remain protected from dirt, insects, mud, and moisture. Outdoor chefs can quickly locate tools without digging through bags or containers. The setup also creates a surprisingly professional cooking environment that feels similar to an outdoor chef station. Some campers use trees as support points, while others rely on lightweight aluminum frames designed specifically for hanging kitchens. Advanced versions include collapsible dish drying systems and portable water containers with gravity-fed taps. What truly makes this setup stand out is how futuristic and creative it looks once fully assembled. Many people walking through campsites stop just to admire it. Despite its impressive appearance, most hanging kitchen systems are lightweight and easy to pack, making them ideal for travelers who want smart organization without carrying bulky furniture. For outdoor chefs who love efficiency and cleanliness, this setup completely transforms the camping cooking experience into something modern, organized, and incredibly satisfying. Number 3. The solar-powered camp kitchen. The solar-powered camp kitchen is one of the most advanced outdoor cooking setups campers are using today. Instead of depending entirely on gas canisters or firewood, this setup uses solar energy to power essential cooking equipment and kitchen accessories. It combines eco-friendly technology with outdoor convenience, creating a futuristic campsite experience that feels almost unbelievable. At the center of the setup is usually a portable solar generator connected to foldable solar panels placed in direct sunlight. These panels collect energy throughout the day and store it in compact battery systems. Campers can then use that energy to power electric coolers, portable induction cooktops, coffee machines, LED lights, water pumps, and even mini blenders. Some luxury setups also include rechargeable fans and electric grills. What makes this setup truly clever is how silent and environmentally friendly it is compared to noisy fuel generators. Campers can cook meals while enjoying peaceful nature sounds without smoke, fumes, or constant engine noise. The setup is also surprisingly practical for long camping trips because sunlight becomes a renewable energy source that keeps the kitchen running daily. Many outdoor chefs combine solar kitchens with foldable prep stations and portable refrigerators to create complete off-grid cooking systems. Another major advantage is emergency preparedness. Solar kitchens can continue operating even in remote areas where fuel stations are unavailable. Campers can charge phones, GPS devices, and lights while preparing meals at the same time. Some advanced campers even use smart battery monitors to track energy usage directly from mobile apps. Beyond the technology, the overall atmosphere feels incredibly modern and luxurious. Cooking breakfast while solar panels quietly power the kitchen creates an experience that feels more like a high-tech adventure than traditional camping. As solar technology becomes more affordable and portable, these kitchens are becoming increasingly popular among eco-conscious travelers, overlanders, and campers who want a cleaner and smarter way to explore the outdoors. Number 2. The portable chuckbox kitchen. The portable chuckbox kitchen may look simple on the outside, but it's one of the smartest and most practical camping kitchen setups ever designed. Originally inspired by old cowboy trail kitchens, modern chuckboxes combine storage, organization, and cooking space into one compact portable box. Once opened, the entire unit transforms into a fully functional outdoor kitchen station packed with hidden compartments and clever features. Inside the box, campers usually store cookware, utensils, spices, plates, cups, cleaning supplies, and cooking ingredients. Fold-out panels create instant countertops for meal preparation, while built-in shelves keep everything neatly organized and easy to access. Some chuck boxes even include dedicated stove platforms, paper towel holders, knife racks, and compact sink systems. What makes this setup truly impressive is how efficiently it uses space. Every inch is carefully designed to maximize storage while keeping the entire unit portable enough to transport in a car or truck. Outdoor chefs love chuck boxes because they eliminate the chaos of traditional camping kitchens where gear gets scattered across the campsite. Instead of searching through bags for cooking tools, everything has a dedicated place. This organization saves time and makes cooking outdoors far less stressful. Another major advantage is durability. Many chuck boxes are built from strong aluminum or weather-resistant wood, allowing them to survive years of rugged outdoor use. Some campers even customize their boxes with solar lights, detachable legs, and waterproof coatings. Despite their compact size, these kitchens can support surprisingly advanced meals ranging from grilled meats to full breakfasts and even desserts. Watching a small box unfold into a complete kitchen setup feels almost magical. For campers who value efficiency, portability, and organization, the portable chuck box proves that smart design can completely transform outdoor cooking into a smooth and enjoyable experience no matter where the adventure leads. Number 1. The full Overlanding camp kitchen trailer. Taking the number 1 spot is the incredible full Overlanding camp kitchen trailer, the ultimate dream setup for serious outdoor chefs and adventure travelers. This isn't just a small camping kitchen. It's a complete mobile cooking station built into a dedicated off-road trailer designed specifically for outdoor living. Once parked and unfolded, these trailers transform into luxury outdoor kitchens that rival some home cooking spaces. Most setups include slide-out grills, stainless steel prep counters, portable refrigerators, storage cabinets, spice organizers, water tanks, sinks with running water, and high-powered cooking burners. Some premium models even feature pizza ovens, espresso machines, and rooftop solar systems. What makes this setup truly unbelievable is how quickly everything deploys. Within minutes, campers can create a professional cooking environment in the middle of forests, deserts, mountains, or beaches. Many trailers also include built-in awnings and lighting systems that create comfortable shaded cooking areas during the day and fully illuminated kitchens at night. Organization is another major strength. Every drawer, shelf, and compartment is carefully designed to keep tools and ingredients secure even on rough off-road terrain. Some overlanders travel for weeks or months using these trailers as complete mobile homes. The ability to cook fresh meals anywhere in the world adds a level of freedom most campers only dream about. Beyond practicality, these setups create an incredible camping atmosphere. Friends and family naturally gather around the kitchen area, turning meal preparation into a social experience filled with conversation and adventure. Watching a full outdoor kitchen appear from a rugged trailer feels like something straight out of a travel documentary. Although these setups can be expensive, they represent the future of luxury camping and off-grid cooking. For outdoor chefs who want the ultimate combination of comfort, mobility, and innovation, the Overlanding Camp Kitchen Trailer stands above every other setup on this list. So, those were 5 clever camp kitchen setups you've probably never seen before. From futuristic solar-powered kitchens to massive overlanding trailers, these incredible ideas prove that outdoor cooking can be both smart and exciting. Camping technology keeps evolving, and these setups are making life in the wilderness more comfortable than ever. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing camping gear and outdoor adventure content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.